Mary Joyce Palabing, 27 years old, single. Regarding with my work experience, I am working with a Chinese family for 2 years and 8 months. There are 7 family members of the family. I do the all around household chores. I do the cleaning, the ironing, the marketing, and the cooking. And I also do some tutoring of the last child, especially English. Nowadays, the father of my boss often gets sick, so I have to monitor his temperature. I also need to check that he takes his medicine on time. And check his temperature every now and then. God also had teach me the experience to take care of younger children. I babysit my younger sister and brothers before, so I know how to take care of a child. Although I don't have a child of my own, I am confident to say I can take care of a child regardless of their age.